Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chanel LV here. Hope you are doing well. Today I would like to share these 4 pieces I got from Louis Vuitton that has been sitting here for a while. I had a chance to share with you. Let's get to it. I got these 4 pieces. I'm gonna line them all up here. Here it is, guys. Let's do this one first. For this particular piece, this is the receipt. Do you guys want to guess? Ta-da! It's the Game On Charm Bracelet. Let's fix this one here. Make sure it's presentable to you guys. There it is. This is part of the Game On 2021 Cruise Collection. It has a contrasting shapes, striking look, and different textures here. The LV logo showcases engraved disc-shaped pendants, 5 of them, inspired by the iconic playing cards. There's the spade, and there is the circle LV charm. Here is the flower, the diamonds, and the heart. It comes in one size. It is adjustable according to your wrist size. So don't worry about the length. It has chain links where you can adjust. Other end has an LV circle charm. Very dainty. It has this LV Paris plaque. It's made in Italy and has a lobster clasp. I can tell you that this bracelet is very delicate with that small red beads. If you look closer, you will see the thread, and I'm afraid that it will break from there, but we'll see. I chose this one because it's not heavy, or it did not have that big metal to hit onto the other jewelries. Let's try it on. Here it is. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Let's move on to the next piece. It's another small leather goods. I have been wanting this. Finally, the SA had this available for me. This would be my smallest small leather goods. It's the card holder in monogram, reverse monogram, canvas print. Here is the top. It has front pocket here, middle compartment where you can put cards, business cards. Look at the glazing on the side. The other side, another front pocket. Another glazing on the side and the bottom. Looking good here. And this is how it opens. This is made in France. Let's go ahead and take the measurements. The length is 4.3 inches, which is accurate from the website, and the width is 2.8 inches. Very excited to use this card holder. Real quick, let's do how many cards fits into this card holder. There's one in the front, one on the back, And I will just put 2 into the middle compartment here. Right now it looks fine, it's not stretching, it's still stiff, so it will have a stretch in time. Next, I will show you how I would match this with my other pieces. The next 2 pieces are extras that I got from my SA. I got lucky getting this. It's another luggage tag, you guys. Perfect as a bag charm or a luggage tag. In smooth black leather. Bigger than the previous ones that I got. If you're looking for luggage tags, here's my tip for you. Each time you go there to the Louis Vuitton, always ask your SA if they have luggage tags. This is how the inside looks. It comes with a long strap, silver tone hardware with Louis Vuitton signature on that button right there. The length is 3.5 inches and the width is 2 inches. Alright, let's move on. Next is a gift from my SA. She is so nice. Let's look at this. Here it is. It's beautiful in red or cerise color. Here is the black and red luggage tags in smooth leather. The red says made in France and the black did not say so. Now I have 2 of these tags to add to my collection. I have the saffron color, the natural cowhide, and black, and the burgundy. Here are the back of the luggage tags. I am so excited. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell to see more. Until next time, bye!